Ladies and gentlemen, this e-commerce product will make billions. And I'm not just saying that with no data to back it up. I'm going to show you some really interesting research that I've done and that I've gathered from the Ecommerce Discord as well. That's going to really shock you because you've probably never heard of this kind of product. And knowing now that it can make $1 billion, you'll probably be excited to look into this opportunity and potentially start a business in this sector. Now, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into it as always. The product I'm talking about is shower steamers. Now, I tweeted this yesterday and it got a lot of reception from people and a lot of bookmarks. So it also tells me that a lot of people didn't know about this, just like me. I was not aware that this existed. As you see, there is a massive boom for this product category. You can see it by the Google trend line, and Google Trends is great because it shows search intent. So these are people that are looking for this in order to buy it. Now, if we look at the actual bath and shower market, we can see that it was valued at $46 billion in 2022, and it will be expected to grow to $70 billion by 2030. Now, of course, there is a broad category of products in this, but what's interesting is that a lot of people don't even know these kinds of products exist, even though they're a really affordable alternative to a steam room. Steam rooms are popping off. This health optimization trend is booming, and that's why things like saunas and steam rooms are picking up in popularity. But of course, not everybody can afford those products. Those products are actually only catered to, the top 1%, basically. And this, however, allows regular people to enjoy the benefits of steam in the comfort of their own showers. And the also great thing about this is that it's a sticky product. So what that means is that people will buy it over and over again. So the only real brands I see doing this are mainly on Amazon, but there's a few that are actually quite nice, like this one, that are also outside of Amazon. And we can learn a lot from them. So, they're not driving an insane amount of traffic, literally only 10,000 monthly visitors. Just the Ecommerce website gets more traffic than that. But that's actually really good. That's a good sign. And they are running a really good offer. Buy 3, get 2 free. That's really good. And, their landing page is beautiful. It's very well designed. So, if anybody from this brand is actually watching this video for whatever reason, you should definitely contact me. Go to ecommerce.com and fill out our form, because I have a lot of ideas on how we could scale this to the moon. I'm talking 100,000 monthly visitors, maybe even 200,000 monthly visitors. Now, something else that's kind of interesting is you can actually buy businesses like this. For example, I found on LoopNet the asking price for this business that does $340,000 in revenue and $190,000 in cash flow, super profitable. It's $950,000. So if you can raise money from investors, you could buy an existing business doing this that already cash flows almost $200,000. That's pretty nice. And if you have a team like mine, you can grow something like this significantly. This is kind of the future of Ecommerce. So if you're an investor as well, or you're connected to private equity firms or venture capitalists, contact me. I would love to make more connections in this space so that we can acquire deals and grow them. Now, of course, you should totally start this on Shopify, but what I think would be a brilliant idea is to start this on Shopify, but take it to TikTok Shop. So what's great about Shopify, I mentioned this in a lot of my videos, is that you can connect your TikTok Shop directly to it and sync them both up so that you can capitalize on having a very branded experience on Shopify, but also on the virality of TikTok Shop. I think that's probably the meta right now, is to have both and even potentially have Amazon as a sales channel. There's no reason not to capitalize on the organic traffic from these platforms, especially because of the search engine optimization that happens over time. And these are things that as a beginner entrepreneur, you're not really thinking about. I wasn't thinking about these things before, but the more I learn and the more I grow, the more I'm starting to think long term and realize the power of SEO, whether it be on your website or whether it be on your listings for marketplaces such as Amazon. So this is great. These guys are doing pretty well on TikTok, all things considered, and I'm guessing this is actually how they're driving most of their traffic right now, which is great. They have 10,000 followers. They say they have over 1 million customers, which could be true since they're mainly on Amazon, but their Amazon link isn't even working. So that kind of shows you where the competition is at right now. And, that's not good, right? They should definitely have a link in bio that works. So, incredible niche, incredible product categories. I definitely see that a lot of people found this valuable and interesting. So, if you want to move quickly on this, do it, because obviously there's a lot of people interested. The same way that I found all of this research, you can find suppliers for something like this. And if you want to shortcut that process, I actually found this initially through the Ecommerce Research Center. This is what you get with an Ecommerce membership in the Discord. It's $50 a month, super affordable, and there's also lifetime plans if you don't want to do a subscription. I know subscriptions are super annoying sometimes, especially when you have like 100 of them like us, but lucky for you, you can just not do that and just sign up to the Ecommerce either through a subscription or through the lifetime plan and get daily research like this daily. Every day we're posting new e-commerce trends. We're posting breakout ads, breakout TikToks, even theme pages ideas these days. We have a course in here where you can learn how to build your e-commerce foundation, find winning products. This is like a 30-minute video. Some roundtable sessions. These are from our community when we come together and just have a huge Q&A. TikTok shop guides. And my favorite thing right now, besides the e-commerce trends, is the sourcing and shipping tab, because we have a guy in here with 9 years of supply chain experience who can help you literally source anything and build your business. So, you can take the ideas that we post here in the trends, talk to him to see if he can source them and start any business that you want, really. So, incredible opportunity here. And just in general with e-commerce, I've never been more excited about e-commerce than I am today, largely because of the viral factor of all social media platforms combined with paid media and machine learning, which is what my team focuses on mainly. We focus mainly on Meta ads, TikTok ads, and Google ads, but it's really easy to also be able to integrate organic systems and viral creators to this strategy that we apply. So we've been able to get insane growth this year, and I don't see this stopping anytime soon. I actually only think it's going to get bigger. So definitely an amazing time to take advantage of all the opportunity, especially when a lot of people these days are scared, they're getting distracted, they're, lazy, and there's really so many ways to make money online. I said this yesterday as well, which is that e-commerce is probably one of the hardest ways to make money online right now, but because of that, it's my favorite. To me, that only speaks to how great the opportunity truly is. But if you want to find the easiest way to make money online, I think you just need to repost content on TikTok, maybe even become an affiliate for brands. And this is definitely something we're starting to build out in the Ecommerce Discord, because I know that a lot of people don't have the money to start an e-commerce business. So we want to start creating resources for people to create a very simple income source through promoting other products and also through the AdSense revenue that TikTok provides. So let's say, for example, you could clip all of my content. I let everybody clip my content on TikTok, and you could have an affiliate link for the Ecommerce Discord, which will give you a 20% commission. So just from literally reposting my content on social media, doesn't have to be TikTok, it can be Instagram Reels as well, and signing up to the Ecommerce affiliate program, you can make some side income. So really, it's an incredible time to be learning about how to make money online. And the great thing about all of it is that the skills that you're learning will translate into any business you build in the future and will just help you out in the future tremendously. So that's really about it. Make sure you check out the links in the description. Sign up to the Ecommerce Discord. I'd love to see you in there. I'm active in there every day. And that's really about it. See ya.